Yes. Now we are going to start. Adonia, you can just, if you want to stand, you can stand and say. You must tell the topic first, whatever you're going to say. Animals are friends or plants are friends. Which one you're going to say? You can,
I
please.
can.
Yes. Start. You sit and say, no problem. Sit. Sit, Adonia. Yes.
Start. Good morning. Today I am going to speak about animals are friends. I am going to speak about dog. Dogs are faithful. Dog protects our house. Dog protects us.
First one.
Dog
It.
Dog plays.
You don't look. How
Dog
much you
plays.
look it? When it's over, you must tell over, ma'am. Okay.
Or ma'am.
Okay, very good. See, you can only speak 3-4 sentences. That's okay. Okay. Now, next child. Next child is Akshara.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell first.
Yes, ma'am.
You start. Come on the screen. Yeah.
I will speak about trees, ma'am.
Say.
The trees has
Must not look. Yeah.
strong stem. It has many branches. It has it is trees. It has big branches. The trees is big. Trees is big, ma'am. That's all, ma'am.
Okay. Not you must not repeat trees. They. Okay. Now next person. Effie. Thank you. Effie, please don't disturb Akshara. Turn off your microphone. Effie, come on.
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute. You don't need to say I'm going to speak. You tell the heading. Start.
Good morning, everyone. Plants are years to our life and life to our years. With this, I would like to start my topic. Plants are our best friends. As they give us free living source, oxygen, and this being the most integral part of our life. Plants give us everything like fruits, seeds, flowers, shade, etc. without any expectation, like a good friend in our life. They even support us during natural calamities like droughts and flood. In addition to helping humans, they are also a home for many birds and animals. Plants even act as a medicine for many diseases and health-related issues. So, in a nutshell, plants fulfill the role of a best friend in every human's life. Irrespective of anything. But we humans continue to exploit our best friends by cutting them for our own benefits. This practice can be more devastating for humans and Earth on a longer run. This world is turning into a concrete jungle as we pay no heed to plants and trees and continue to cut them off. To sum up, my friends, life will become hard without our best friends. The least we can do is plant more and cut less trees to save our human beings and Mother Earth. Thank you.
Very good. Now all must tell like this. Okay, very good, children. I don't want anybody to clap now because time will go away. Towards the end, we'll clap for everybody. Now, Fatima, hurry up. Very good. Come on, Fatima.
Yes, ma'am.
Fast. Yes. You can tell 3 or 4 sentences, no problem. Yeah. Good, Effie.
Good morning, teachers and friends. I'm going to talk about animals or friends.
I want to see your face, Fatima, please. You can't waste time. Hurry up. Yes, speak.
Dog protect us from thieves.
First, what happened? You haven't prepared, Fatima? No problem. I'll give you a chance, okay? Prepare well. You don't get scared. Joshika, hurry up. Those who are prepared, I'll just ask because...
Yes, ma'am.
Fatima? Yeah. Joshika, hurry up.
Yes, ma'am. I'm Joshika.
Chance. Those who don't know properly can prepare again and come. Joshika, fast.
Today I'm going to tell about trees are best friends. Trees play a very important role in our life. We cannot live without them. Trees give us many things. Flowers, fruits, leaves. Birds make their nest on trees. Trees give us wood. Trees give us paper, rubber. Plants gives us oil. Plants gives us medicine. Plants gives us perfume. Trees and plants make our world beautiful. So please save trees. Thank you.
Thank you. Good, good. Kanira, towards the end, I'll clap for everybody. Okay. Kanira, hurry up.
Ma'am?
Yes. Kanira, where are you? Hurry up. Turn on your camera.
Ma'am?
Say.
Ma'am? Good morning to all and friends. Today I am going to talk about mango. Mango is a protective fruit. I like mango. A mango have vitamins and nutrients. Thank you.
Okay. Kailina. Good, good, Kanira. 3, 4 lines. Okay. Kailina, speak. Sit up straight. Hurry up.
I'm going to tell about tree. Good morning, friends and teachers. A big tree, a big and tall plant is called a tree. It has many branches. A tree has
Kailina, say, don't be looking. Okay. You must read fast if you look also. Come on. No, don't.
hard and thin stem. It is called the trunk.
Okay. Now stop, Kailina. You have to prepare. 1 minute. You're looking and reading now. I'll give you one more chance, okay? You must prepare. I will call you and Fatima again. Let us see. No problem. Some other day. Mishti, please come. Because I told you have to tell without seeing with action. Mishti, come on, Mishti, hurry up. You know even 3 sentences, no problem.
Good morning, friends.
Yeah.
I am talking about my friends. I have many friends, but out of it, one is my best friend. She always helps me. We are living together. We learn and write together. Thank you.
Listen, I told you plants are friends, animals are friends. You said about your friend. Next time you must prepare according to the topic. Okay, Mishti. Okay, Mitra. Mitra,
Yes, ma'am.
please start.
Good morning, everybody. I'm going to tell a topic about plants and trees. It's true that plants are good friends. Everybody knows about plants and trees. They are helpful in many ways.
Very good.
They keep our environment clean.
Why I can't
They
see you?
give
Come on, turn on your camera. Almost turn on your camera. Hurry up. Why, Mitra, what happened?
they
Camera's not working.
ma'am, no ma'am.
Okay, why? Say fast. Continue.
They give us fruit, fiber, vegetables, and many other things.
Good.
Trees like neem, tulsi are helpful to make medicines.
Good,
Trees
Mitra.
like
Good.
rubber tree help to make tire, eraser, and many other sports items. Trees gives us shade in summer. So plant more trees and protect them. Thank you.
Very good. Samantha, sweetie. Samantha. Good. All must turn on your camera, please. Samantha, where are you? Now, Shashwata, please. Okay, Samantha's there. Okay, 1 minute, 1 minute. Tell Samantha. Turn on your mic. Don't get scared, you tell. Fast, Ma, because Shashwata, sorry, Samantha, please tell. Did you prepare, Samantha?
No, ma'am.
So afterwards you prepare, I'll give you some other day's chance. Okay, please prepare well. Okay. Next one, Shashwata. No problem, Samantha. Shashwata, please come on the screen. Tell. Samantha can tell later.
Good morning, one and all. I'm going to talk about animals are friends. There's a great saying. Those who teach us humanity are not always humans. Are not always human. Yes, animals teach us humanity.
I
Man
can't
is a
see her.
social
I
animal.
want to see your face, please.
Ma'am,
Shashwata, yeah. Come, Shashwata. Suddenly it's going away. Yes?
man is a social animal. We see many animals around
You're reading
us.
from the phone or something. Okay. Tell, read. Tell now. Fast.
Some animals live in jungles, some animals live in farms, some animals are kept at home as pets. Animals help us in many ways. Cows and goats gives us milk, hens gives us eggs. Dog helps to protect our home. Dog is man's best friend. I love dog. Animals live in different places according to their habitat. We should not cut trees anywhere, especially in forest, because animals and birds may not get proper food, water, and shelter.
Okay. Now listen. Okay, very good. Show that picture. Show that.
Our national animal tiger is in red list. We should not hunt animals at any cost. As Mahatma Gandhi said, a good man is friend of all living things. Let's follow his words. Save wildlife, save animals. Thank you.
Okay. Now, children, I told you not to see and say, but some are seeing. This time I'm giving you excuse. Okay, good, Shashwata. Shamma, hurry up. Not you, you said Shamma. Yes.
Good morning,
Smita, very good. And you can show the picture also, like picture or the doll or whatever it is? Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Good, Shashwata. Now, Shamma. Shamma.
Good morning, everybody.
Yes.
I'm going to speak about houses. House will protect us from heat and cold.
Listen. Animals are friends or plants are friends. That was the topic. Okay, Shamma, continue. You have to prepare once again. Okay, continue, Shamma. Topic was there. Oh.
Then it will protect us from animals.
Don't know what
The
happened.
animals, it will keep us safe in the house. When we go out, it suddenly rains, we cannot do anything. But the house will protect us from everything. Thank you.
Okay, now next time when you must see to the topic. Okay, now Shaina,
Yes,
see
ma'am.
how Shashwata showed, no? You can show like that. Animals, you will have no toys. Okay, Shaina, fast. Shaina,
Good morning, one and all. I'm going to talk about our animal friends. They help us in many ways. A cow gives us milk. A sheep gives us wool. A camel is a ship of the desert. And the the camel carries people and goods. And an elephant carries lots of wood and it does so. It carries into the forest. They cannot talk, but they feel pain. We should take care of them, and we should not
yes,
give them more strain. And we should feed them very well and protect them very well. Thank you.
very good. Now Tanvi, hurry up. Otherwise, boys won't get chance. Tanvi, where are you? Tanvi, yes, hurry up, Tanvi.
I can show the animals, ma'am.
Yeah, no problem, but you must do it fast, no problem. You just speak now. Not compulsory to show. Speak.
Ma'am.
Tanvi, start, Tanvi.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Tanvi. I'm going to talk about rabbits, my favorite animal. A rabbit is a small animal with long ears. It is popularly called as bunny. Rabbits have thick fur on their skin. Rabbits have two eyes on their side of their head. Rabbits
Yeah.
have four short but powerful legs. Rabbit eats grass, leaves, fruits, and vegetables, especially carrots, and I love carrots. Baby rabbit is called as kit. I love rabbits. Thank you.
Very good. Arush, must come fast and tell. Okay, Arush.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Tell fast.
I'm going to talk on plants. Plants are our best friends. They help us in so many ways. They give us oxygen, fruits, vegetables, and most important, water. But most important water in in the form of rain. But still we people only destroy them. So it's high time that we learn to protect
Okay.
them.
Okay, Arush. Yes, 3-4 sentence enough, Arush. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Arush. Ahil, you must come fast. Ahil. Otherwise, I'll give the next person. Okay. Yes, Ahil, hurry up. Yes, speak. Even if it's 3 or 4 sentences, that's enough. Okay, you just speak out what you know. This time I'm giving excuse for children, those who are seeing and reading. Actually, other children, I told them not to see. Okay, fast, Ahil. Start.
I am telling about a cat.
Yeah.
I love a cat, ma'am.
Okay, sit and speak. Sit. Turn your camera on. Turn.
Bye.
Play with cat. Cat will eat. Can play, sleep. I love cat. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Now, next person, Alan.
Yes, ma'am.
Alan, say.
Plants are friends. Plants are called our green friends. Plants give us oxygen to breathe. They provide us with food, clothing, and shelter. We make medicines, furniture, gum, paper, soaps, perfumes, and much more things from plants.
Yes, say.
Animals and birds also depend on plants for food. Trees and plants purify the air we breathe. We should grow more and more trees and plants. We should avoid cutting down trees and plants. Trees and plants make our world beautiful, so we should protect them. Thank you.
Very good, Alan. Next one, Akhilan, hurry up.
Welcome, ma'am.
Yes, good, good, good. I will clap for you at the end of the lesson, okay? No, I will take 10 more minutes because only boys started. Akhilan, first. Akhilan?
Domestic animals live in the forest. Wild animals live in home. And lion is a jungle. The king and cow and buffalo gives us milk.
Yeah. You say no problem.
The cat and dog our friends. Thank you.
Okay, okay. Now, next person, thank you. Now, Anandit, hurry up. Anandit, hurry up. Anandit, where are you? Those who finished can just stand and raise your hand. And hey, Anandit, hurry up. I'm waiting for you. Tell. Speak. What happened, Anandit? Went back. Come on, start.
Good morning to all. I am Anindit from grade 2. Animals are our friends. We should take care of them. They help us in many ways. Animals are very faithful and
What happened? Camera is not working.
there is no animal that serves no purpose. Creepers contribute to our happiness in some way.
Good.
We must be kind to all our animal friends. Thank you.
Very good. Archant,
Yes, ma'am.
hurry up, hurry up.
Good morning to all.
Yes.
I am Archan. I have chosen topic. Trees are our friends. Trees are our best friends. We cannot live without them. Trees give us many things like paper, wood, fruits, and etc. Trees are our friends who also gives us everything without expecting a single thing in return. When you plant a tree, you plant a life. Thank you.
Very good. Ashwant, I will complete it. You'll have to wait for me. That's all. Ashwant, hurry up.
Good morning, all. I
Good
am
morning.
Ashwin.
Yeah.
Talk about plants are our friends. Plants are our friends. In my home, there's a lot of plants.
Yes, it's okay. I can hear. Please tell. Tell. I can hear.
Say loud. Plants have root, stem, branches, leaf, flowers, fruit. Plants give us vegetable, fruit, medicine, perfume, and many other things. Plants are called trees. Trees give oxygen and shade. Tree services in many ways. Tree services in many ways. It's our duty to take care of trees and plants. Don't cut the trees. Save trees, save environment. Thank you.
Very good. Now, Cyrus, don't worry, everybody will get a chance today. I
Yes,
will wait.
ma'am.
Yes, Cyrus, start.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Cyrus Timothy from grade 2A. And I'm
Sit down,
going
sit
to
down,
talk
sit down.
about plants are my best friends.
Sit and say, I cannot see your face.
One of the most wonderful and valuable creation and gift to us are plants.
Yes.
Plants play a very important role in my life. Do you know how they are helpful to us in many ways? They give us fruits, vegetables, glass, gum, medicine, paper, firewood, and many other things. They give us oxygen, which is very important for us to breathe.
Yes.
Trees are natural homes for many birds, insects, animals, and human beings too. We children also play under shady trees, and during summer season, we enjoy the good breeze. Plants give us rain and they prevent the earth from floods. Plants filter air and water. Plants prevent the earth from pollution. That's why we all often visit Ooty and Kodaikanal to see the lovely botanical gardens. In the gardens, we see lovely flowers and we see mountains covered with big trees and old big trees. And I have a garden. I have a small garden in my balcony.
Good, good.
I have tamarind in my balcony. I
Very nice.
take tamarind and put the seeds. It has grown as saplings. I will give it to one garden. It will grow as a big tree.
Very good.
And I have rosemary plant. It has grown as a green plant. I will keep it, and after some days, it will grow. It will give some flowers.
Good, Cyrus.
I ate jamuns and put the seeds. It has grown as a sapling.
Sapling.
I will grow a garden and it will grow as a big tree. And
Good, good.
I have hibiscus plant. It has grown as a bud. After some days, it will give some nice flowers. Don't worry if you don't have a big garden. Have a small garden like mine. Little flowers, and that is enough for your garden. And then I walk down in my apartment. I see flowering plants, and I enjoy and I love to see it. And I have coconut groves near my apartment where I get good breeze. I see many birds, insects flying around it. And
Fast. Okay, Cyrus. Very good now. Yeah, tell.
And plants are also called green gold on the earth. Plants keep our environment safe and clean. So cutting of trees should be avoided. And try your best to plant more trees and keep our environment safe and clean. Thank you. And thank you, Honey Ma'am, for giving me
Very
this
good. Very good.
Thank you, my friends, for enjoying my speech. Thank
Very
you,
good.
everybody. And don't forget to plant more trees and keep our environment safe and clean. Thank you.
Okay, we will take till 30 today. Okay, just wait, children. Then the rest we can do later. Now, come on, John. Speak about little more time you have to spend with me. John, please hurry up, John. John. Those who are special class, only 10:30. No. 11:30. Sorry. John, please start.
Good morning, my dear friends. I am John Matthew Thomas, and I am going to talk about animals are friends. The friendship between man and animal is more everlasting. A cat is kept as a pet and also for killing rats and other rodents. A dog is kept as a pet for protection and safety. It's also helping in hunting, herding sheep, and also for tracking thieves, and also for protecting properties. A cow is kept as a pet for its milk and dung. Camels, donkeys, buffaloes, and bullocks are the beasts of burden. Short form. We should always be kind to the animals and protect them. Thank you.
Very good. Kevin. Yeah, Kevin, hurry up.
Yes, ma'am.
Please start.
And my dear teacher, today I am going to speak about dogs. Dogs guards our house. Friendship between animals is long lasting. A dog is intelligent, and it is so important to police department. It will smell and it will find the fakes.
Little up, show. Yeah.
And
Then.
And the dog helps us to find the thieves. Thank you.
Very good. You tell sweet and it's nice, short and sweet. No problem. Kushagra, no one should get scared. Okay. Kushagra. Good, Kevin. Kushagra, where are you? You don't worry about anything, Kushagra. What happened? You speak. Okay, never mind. Speak.
Plants are our friends. Plants gives us paper. Plants gives us furniture. Plants gives us oxygen. Plants gives us wood. Plants gives us paper. Plants gives us rubber. Plants gives us vegetable. Plants gives us fruit. Plants gives us flowers. We should save plants. Plants are
Your best friend. See, when you use plants, instead of that, yes, 1 minute. Instead of that, you can use day. Okay, plants. Okay, did you complete or again you're going to say? It's over. Okay, good.
Ma'am, you missed my turn.
1 minute. Whose name? Oh my God, Ritik, hurry up. Sorry.
you also missed my name.
No. Excuse me. After
Hello,
Silent,
and friends. I am going to talk about animals as our friends. Animals as our friends. Wild animals protect the forest and nature. Domestic animals help us in different ways. Wild animals are tiger, elephant, cheetah, lion, etc. Farm animals are pig, cow, horse, dog, cat, etc. Dogs protect our homes. Dogs play with us. Cow give us milk. Cows used at farming. Cats are so pretty. They are kept as pets to kill rats.
Okay.
Sheep give us wool and meat. Birds sing so
Good, good. Now, Sai Vasavi, your name is at the last, but I will call you hereafter, after all the girls. Now you can tell Sai Vasavi. 1 minute, child. After Sai Vasavi, Mithilesh must get ready. Yes, Sai Vasavi. Hereafter, I'll call you after girls. Actually, your number is 39. Okay, now tell Sai Vasavi.
Plants are our friends. I have tulsi plant, aloe vera plant, and money plant. I care them so much. I will pour water daily for them. Thank you.
Good, good. Now, Mithilesh, are you ready? Mithilesh? See, now those who are not telling today, I'll have to make them say another day. Naren, you must come online fast. Already time up. Naren, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Mithilesh, are you ready to speak today?
Ma'am, I am Naren, ma'am.
Okay, Naren. Mithilesh.
I am living in the apartment. I am living in the apartment. I have 4 friends.
No, listen. Animal are friends, plants are friends. Which one you're going to speak about? Mithilesh?
Friends.
Not friends. Sorry. Both are talking. Naren and 1 minute. Mithilesh? 1 minute, Mithilesh. You have to, okay, Naren, you speak now. Excuse
I am living in the
Excuse me.
apartment.
Both of them are telling. Naren, please stand. Please sit up straight. See, children, the topic is animals are friends, plants are friends. We are not talking about your friends. Now, Mithilesh, you speak, Mithilesh. Naren, please turn off. Mithilesh, you speak, ma. Mithilesh, speak. He's traveling there. 11:10, I will stop and the others will have tomorrow only. Mithilesh, speak.
About the lion. Lion is the king of the animal. I eat this
Listen, excuse me. Mithilesh mother, afterwards I'll give him a chance because it's just disturbing. Please, ma. Because you all are traveling, I am not able to hear properly. Now, next child is Prajan. Prajan, Naren can prepare well later and come. Prajan. Prajan, please say Prajan. Prajan.
When you plant a tree, you plant a life. Plants are best friends.
Children, 1 minute. Now here, all other...
Plants are best.
1 minute, 1 minute. All other children, that is Naren, Mithilesh onwards. Prajan, you are not prepared. You haven't prepared well. Now time up. Tomorrow I will take again. Jeff, are you ready, Jeff?
Yes,
Jeff,
ma'am.
1 minute. Jeff, say. Jeff.
Today I'm going to speak on the topic animals are friends. Animals are very faithful and helpful. Right from the early ages, dogs help the mankind the most. Dogs safeguard our houses. Dogs are also used in police and special investigation team for their sniffing ability. Dogs and cats are the most common pets found. Cats help to keep our house clean by killing rodents and insects. Cow comes next. Cow gives us milk. Bull help in agriculture work. Horses, donkeys, bulls, camels help to pull vehicles in many parts of the world even today. Animals can truly be your best friend. It is important that we treat them well and make sure we make this world a safer place for them to live in. Thank you.
Very good. Now Tridip, say fast. Tridip, Niral, get ready.
Yes, ma'am.
Others also, hurry up. You must come because already time. Children must go for some other class. Tridip, say fast.
Good morning, teacher and my dear friends. I am here to speak about the topic animals are friends. There are many types of animals, wild animals and domestic animals. All animals are not friendly. Those animals are friendly are called pet animals. Eating habits of animals. Plant-eating animals are called herbivores. Animals which kill other animals and feeds on them are called carnivores. Animals which eat both plants and animals are called omnivores. Uses of animals.
No.
Take milk, eggs, meat, leather, silk and wool from animals. Dung of animals are used to make manure.
Menu.
Animals
Okay.
help in transportation.
Reading. Look.
Donkey, camel, horse carry loads and carry people from one place to another. Finally, I want to conclude.
Okay. Yeah. Say.
Birds are friends of us. These are many uses from them.
Okay. Okay, Tridev. Now, you didn't finish. You're looking and reading. It's
No,
okay.
no.
Say fast. Already time. That's what I'm telling. Otherwise, I'll give. Okay. Please finish it.
In our ecosystem,
Yeah. Good.
we should learn
Yes, you're telling more than enough. But anyway, continue fast.
to take care and protect them. Thank you so much.
Very good. Now listen, children, no need to make a big speech. You just say 5 or 10 sentences, that's enough. Okay, you all are doing very well. Now, Niral, you are the last one to say today. Others, tomorrow, as soon as I come for English class, because some children got special class, I think so. Niral, please say.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah. Say.
Good morning, dear teachers and my lovable friends. Today I'm going to talk about animals, our friends. Animals play an important role in our lives. Animals provide us food such as milk, eggs, and meat. We should let them free in the forest. There are domestic animals and wild animals in the forest. They provide us clothes. We should protect them from hunters. We should not irritate or harm them for our joy. We should try and coexist with them. We should not irritate or tease them in the zoo. Animals warn us and save us too. Animals are the beautiful friends. We should love them because they help us too. Thank you.
Very good. Children, anyone has special class today? 11:30? Not with me. No. Anybody got?
Ma'am, I have, ma'am.
Okay then. Who said Ashwanta? Today you have which subject?
Today I don't have special class, ma'am.
That's not I'm asking. Anybody out of the 40 children? What subject do you have today?
I have special class coming, ma'am.
I'm asking whether children got special class with subject. Parent can tell me. Nobody got means I can continue, that's why.
Ma'am, this is my animals, ma'am.
Now wait 1 minute. 1 minute now, I'll continue. These children don't know. Please, ma, please. Sri Mukilan, please say.
Yes, ma'am.
Please say. See, Sri Mukilan, father, let him say, please. Yeah. Okay.
Come on, special class, ma'am.
Who got special class today? Okay, now nobody. I'm going to stop. Okay, we will have it tomorrow. That's all. Tomorrow we will continue those who didn't say today. Children, 1 minute. Mukilan. 3 Mukilans, please listen to me. Tomorrow we'll continue in English class.
Tomorrow we can.
Tomorrow do English class or English class. 10 children will have it. All are screaming together. Okay, leave the classroom now, children.
Thank you, ma'am.
No.
Thank you, ma'am.
Tomorrow we can continue in English class.
Ma'am, these are my animals coming. Can I tell now?